Okay guys, what's up? Welcome to the stream, and this is gonna be a really short stream. Because sorry, why did I move that? But I just wanna like log not log because there's really no progress to log at all. But I just wanna like I just wanna say what's going on, I guess. Um Day 8. Okay, well, where are we at the roadmap? Well, we already finished this, so I forgot what does NS look up do again. Uses okay, yeah, it's just a domain name to find IP diagnosis stuff. Specific types of records. So it's just I think dig is the newer version. Okay. Yeah, so we already learned that. This I would say is not as necessary, but since I already kind of know that, but system MD services and cron jobs, they might be useful. Cron jobs, because I just want to get like a quick look at it. And I know I'm taking this like lightly, but that's only because if you look at the stuff here, like most of the stuff I'm gonna like learn as I go, and especially with the projects, I'm probably gonna like learn a lot. This one's gonna be a bit hard though, a bit trickier, because well, I guess it might be the same, but I'm not sure how I would connect two different VM machines. That's why C programming, well, this one I already know. Not I already know, but like I know a lot. I just need to learn about the memory layout, but still, even then, I know the stack, the heap. I just gotta know the data and text segments, I guess, and I can always learn some stuff. Unions, those are just shared memory locations. File I/O, I could definitely learn, and system calls, since this is Linux, I could definitely learn. But yeah, that's why I'm taking this lightly, because if I look at all of this stuff here, well, this is gonna take the C language here to do to build upon this, and this is gonna be, well, this is also gonna take the C language. All of this is like the main section, I guess, and this is where I get my first bug bounties, hopefully. If AI doesn't replace me by this point, it's probably gonna be like, I'm not sure, but it's probably gonna be like a few months until we get to phase 5. I'm really hoping for that. I'm excited because then I can make some quick cash, and yeah. But yeah, this is a short stream because the day didn't really go how I wanted it. So I saw this like that day didn't really go how I wanted. Cron jobs, let's see. Automated, like to run. Cron wakes up every minute. Cron tabs, execute tasks. Command to execute. Cron jobs. Okay, so you just put a bunch of stars. Let's see. Not a lot learned. And what is this? Learned cron jobs and system MD services. Learned a bit about cron jobs, system MD services. So I guess I can also check that off. This is basically, we basically have everything on here. Just SCD, find, and xargs. SCD, find, xargs, and what was the other one? AWK. Okay. Find files and directories. Okay. Converts output is the most frequent. Pass it to command. to arguments for other commands. Okay, so xargs, text files and passes to the rm command. Okay. That's kind of stupid because you can. Oh, it's because this will probably wait until all the standard input is piped in. Okay. Is that a built-in thing? Xargs. Where is x? Yeah, if I'm guessing, it's gonna just like xargs cat. It's gonna wait for me to end. Okay, never mind. But it should be something like that, right? So if I do like echo, oh, la, 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 I'm hoping /n works here. Oh, okay, never mind. If I just do cat, then what happens? Okay, it just feeds it directly. Okay. Well, the thing about that is that why did it say no file or directory? Oh, because this took in as the input, so it just made it like cat and then so yeah, okay, not a string but just as an input. Oh, okay, so it turns the string into an input. Okay. SED, what's that do? Process text line by line. Command old with new. S/old/new/G. SED command processes text line by line, primarily used for searching. Okay. How SED command, how to use. Options and command. S for substitute, D for delete. Okay. So S for substitute, D for G for replace, I guess, or something. I to save changes directly. So that's just the option. AWK is a pattern scanning. Okay. Prints the first and third column of every line. Third columns of every line in file. So like it would be like if this was a column, then like it would go let's say imagine like 5 copies of this, and then it would just print the first, which is this, and then the third column should be that. Or would it go from 0? Yeah, maybe it goes from 0, so it'd be this would be oh my god, this would be the first, this would be the third, or maybe it's just 1 because it says first here. So first and the third, so it would just print out this, and then again, and then that again, that. Okay. Prints only when the lines contains the word error. Okay, so it's saying print the whole line or what? Okay, let's look at AW because that seems interesting. It's powerful text pattern and then the action. Pattern and then action. Okay. So 0 is the entire line, first field. NF is the number of fields, and NR is the line number. First field. What does that mean? So they're saying this is gonna print the first thing, like if this was the line and this was the first thing, and if it was 0, or I mean this would be the first thing, and if it was 0, it would print the whole line. That's a bit confusing. Okay, arguments. AWK arguments command Linux F separator F0 prints individual fields. Okay, let's see what fields this is. Employees text. So with this one print by default from a specified file, that's just like cat, right? Or no, because cat would just like would not care. I mean, I guess it's similar, but this is specifically looks for a new line, and that's a whole line on here. There's no given pattern. So options, okay, let's see how it looks. Use a space case. F is a custom field separator, so space and print 1 and 4, the first and then the fourth field. First field 1 2 3, it's fourth field. Okay, okay. What if there's varying numbers of fields? What if there's varying number of fields in AWK? Empty string. Okay. So I guess that's done. Yeah, this one is I'm a bit excited for. I like to communicate. I might actually no, I will make a different VM, but it's just like a bit annoying. Like, how should I use burst mode? But this is like a VM, and I want to like test stuff like virus and stuff. If I make like a make it burst mode, then it could like access my network if they find a bug in my router or whatever, or maybe even like without finding a bug, because then like if it has access to my network, then it has like access to like my router. It could present like a different device. I'm not sure how hard like those things are, but yeah. And if you have multiple VMs, and not to mention the fact that it might cause lag to have many VMs at the same time. But I guess I could install like a not as heavy as Kali, like Arch, but I heard Arch is like takes up so much space and whatever. Is no one is watching this, by the way, right? Because I'm used to like no one watching this usually. And did I say like a lot? Okay, it seems good. I don't think I sound too stupid. Okay, it was a 15-minute live stream. It's fine. for VMs in VirtualBox, could you theoretically connect them with a server? With a physical server? Maybe I can NAT network, NAT network to share a single public. That doesn't sound that good. I guess I'll just have different stuff. But I'm just like wondering how would VirtualBox handle that? Okay, anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna end the stream now. See you guys. Bye.